Hi friends, I am Coderboy. Today we will make a fun Python game together. It is called number guessing game. Here is how the game works. Python will pick a secret number between 1 and 10. Then we will guess the number. The program will tell us if our guess is too low, too high or correct. Let's get started. First, Python needs to pick a secret number. For that, we use the random module. Type import random. Now Python can use random tools. Next, we create a variable called secret. Type secret equals random.randint, open bracket 1, comma 10, close bracket. This line asks Python to pick a random number from 1 to 10. Python now has a secret number and we need to ask the player for a guess. Type guess equal integer, open bracket, input, type pick a number from 1 to 10 in quotes and bracket and close other bracket. Remember, input gives us text, so we use integer to turn the guess into a number. Now it is time to compare the guess with the secret number. We will use if, else if and else. First we check if the guess is correct. Type if guess double equals secret colon and on the intended line print correct. The number was and then comma secret variable. So it shows what number Python chose. Now we check if the guess is too low. Type else if guess is less than secret colon on the intended line print your statement, and if the guess is too high type else colon and on the intended line print your statement. Great. Our game now gives three possible answers. Correct, too low or too high. Let's play. Click run. Python picks a secret number. Now type a guess. Let's try 5. Python compares our guess with a secret number. If our guess is smaller, it says too low. If our guess is bigger, it says too high. And if our guess matches the secret number, it says correct. Now look at what we used today. We used random to pick the secret number. We used input to ask for the player's guess. We used integer to turn the guess into a number. And we used if, else if and else to decide what message to show. This is real game logic. Great job. Today you built a real Python game, number guessing game. Try changing the numbers from 1 to 10 to 1 to 20 or 1 to 100 to make the game harder. In the next video, we will make another fun Python project that is rock, paper, scissors. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.